What's going on, everybody? This is Lucci here with our weekly market update video. Peter Zhang is currently in China and unable to do these videos, so I am taking over temporarily. This is for the week starting September 9th. And basically last week we were in a sort of a consolidation pattern because of issues from Syria. We're still seeing rumors and speculation about Syria arise basically every single day. Last week we had a big one, comments from Putin saying he was going to go on the offensive if Obama got approval to strike Syria. So that caused a big drop in the markets. And then an hour later, literally, we came back all the way. So there is a lot of volatility that is happening right now in the markets. We're still in complete chop, though. So for intraday options traders, the recommended sort of strategy to go for is scalping. This way, you don't have any bias that you're holding on overnight positions or you're holding on positions for too long. Long or short, this market has a tendency to rally several handles and then come all the way back, or vice versa. And outlook for this week, we have light economic data, so there's not much to stir sort of broad market moves. As opposed to many comments that might come out from Syria or about the crisis going forward, whether we will actually go in there to attack or will we not get the approval for it. Plus, everybody's talking about Fed tapering still as well. Friday, there's a lot of jobs data coming out. So again, we'll probably hear about Fed tapering depending on how well or how good the jobs data will come out. As for our single names here, again, short trades are best to be scalped. There's a lot of high flyers out here that people want to short. Tesla, Netflix, LinkedIn, you name it. All these names that people do want to short. It's not going that easy for a lot of people. Tesla, just right now, actually Monday morning, it is starting to come in. Whether this is sustainable short or not, that's kind of up in the air. It depends on where we're going for the market. Key levels to watch for the SPY, 167 on the top side. If we're able to rally over 167 on the SPY, there might be some decent long trades to make. Vice versa, we're in sort of a range between 167 and 164 or 163 and a half on the SPY. So within that range, we're talking about the Dow going up and down 100 points every single day, which can get very choppy, very confusing also for biased trades. So again, we do want to recommend that options traders do stick to a sort of a scalping strategy. That way they can just take advantage of short-term positions, short-term momentum, so to speak, on some of these high flyers. Financials, they haven't really been doing much lately, but if you take a look at Bank of America, she's been able to hold over 14 very well, which also lends itself to the fact that this market is not really a short quite yet. Anytime you see Bank of America at around 14 and a half, I would be wary on shorting the market as a whole or shorting anything in the market. Some of the high flyers, however, are looking pretty tired. They are looking pretty tired. You have your Teslas, your Netflix, your LinkedIn. If you look at any of these charts over the last 3 months or 6 months, they're definitely looking a little bit tired. But again, it's not that easy to just hop in a short and hold on to these things. Put your options prices are going to be all over the place. Some of them are going to be very expensive, especially early on in the week. And then if you don't get that move within a decent amount of time after you buy those options, your premium is going to dwindle very quickly. So again, swing trades right now are pretty difficult. But, overall, there is some bullishness. There is some sort of pockets of bullishness here and there. And we'll have to see going forward. This week, though, we're pretty much saying that the same assessment as last week. We're going to be pretty choppy, and make sure to keep your position sizes a little bit on the lighter side, and also keep your time frames also shorter as well. All right, so that's it for this week's update. Happy trading, guys.